the center of the saddle. These don't have any. No, you don't want that one. This thing has just got no. That's the one you want right there.
Even for the bush?
Yeah, hit the base, just hit the base.
Wala namang, wala. They already have buds. See? The ones that are colorful, it already has buds. So probably in a week, they'll be blooming. Oh my, oh my. Wow, wow. Tingnan natin kung ano ang hitsura niya.
Yeah, this, I don't know what. This stupid grass, I thought it was good. What's going on with it? I thought it rained, I guess maybe it's green, but
Give it more time.
it's like theirs is green, more green than this. Come on now.
Itanim na niya yung aming lily of the valley that we got few weeks ago. Buti na lang buhay pa sila. Yan, patay na siguro ito kasi palagi siyang nasasagasaan ng ang ating garden hose. Tapos ito, hindi siya magta-thrive pag hindi itanim sa lupa. And look! Ha? Oh, diba? Nag-sprout na naman siya. Mamumunga ka kasi hindi ko kailangan ng leaves. Kailangan ko ng bunga. If you don't mind. At andito na naman tayo sa kabila. Dito mayroong kaunti na mga buds. Maganda talaga ng kapaligiran mo pag meron kang magandang mga bulaklak. Nakakawala ng stress. Na ito, at least ay isa na napurma na doon. But so far wala namang bagong remnants ng deer eatings dito. So hopefully ito nag-work yung aming deer repellents. Pero yung mga orchids ko hindi pa sila nakabawi.
Have to water it every day.
Frustrated siya sa kanyang grass na nag-yellow. Doon, no? But they're still alive.
And these two, please.
Yeah, I'll finish. I haven't finished the roses yet. Ikaw, mister. Kumusta naman? I miss ka lang. Ha?
I don't know. You took him to a shovel. You can get this. Yeah.
Okay, after several days na hindi ako nakapunta dito, medyo lumaki si Miss Calamansi. Pero tatlo pa rin sila. Walang nag-iba, walang dagdag. 1, 2, 3. Pero may bago silang Oy, meron pang-apat. Wait. There's a fourth one. Wait. Yes. Kita nyo yan, oh. Alright. At ikaw, bakit ka nalulumbay, ha? Nalulumbay ang aking bougainvillea. At ikaw, as useless, wala pa rin. Hello! How are you? Good. Wala pa rin kaano-ano ito. At ang ating blackberry, hello! Ooh! May isa, dalawa na siya. So, pagpatuloy mo lang yan, iha, ha? At least yung mga bagong leaves niya ay walang damage. Ewan ko kung anong cause niya. Alright. Ang ating daylilies ay hindi pa rin namumulaklak. Yung isa, overnight lang siya. Namatay na. Kasi daylily, isang araw lang talaga yung bulaklak niya. Tapos, mawawala na siya. Naku, pinagbintangan ko pa naman si mga deers na, kinain nyo na naman. Very frustrating, kinain na naman, Cory. Sabi ni Cory, hindi kinain. Daylily siya, kaya isang araw lang. Like, oh, sorry, my bad. Alright. So kanan. It's beautiful. I love it. You're welcome.
You're over there every night. Are you close?
What's that?
You're over there every night.
Almost every night, yeah.
Ready for you to move in.
The driveway is done.
You're ready.
After almost half a year,
Yeah.
driveway's done. Okay, andito na naman tayo sa aming bagong bahay and ito yung mga gifts ni Corey galing sa parents niya at saka pagkain namin for dinner tonight. Bumili lang ako ng take-out sa Chinese buffet pero hindi pa ako nagluto ng kanin. Sabi ko, mahal pag bibili ka ng kanin sa Chinese buffet. So, magluto na lang ako ng kanin and then as useless, itong bed namin ay hindi ko pa talaga na-arrange. Yung mga linabhan ko, kailangan pang i-fold. And then, our beloved, yan, kailangan kong i-water ang plant dyan kasi it's been a while. Ilang araw na akong nagmukmuk dun sa kabilang bahay. Hindi ako lumalabas because I was so sad with what's going on. But, buti na lang at medyo okay-okay ka lang. Although, marami-rami ng mga leaves na nagiging brown. Bali-bali na. Iwa-water naman kita. Yan. Okay, get well soon, okay? Magluluto muna ako ng kanin and then we'll eat dinner and then hopefully if I still have time, I will continue with my vlogging. Hindi pa rin ako nakadala ng kanin pero nakabili na ako ng rice. Kaya lang nandun pa sa kabilang bahay. And kaunti lang siguro yung lulutuin ko kasi si Corey ayaw niya kumain ng rice. Okay. Yan, ang dali lang talaga. Yang maluto. So, kakain kami in a few minutes. Naku, alas 9 na pala ng gabi. Hindi ko man lang namalayan. Oh my golly. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. Ito po si Marilyn, your friendly Filipina Carpentera here in America. Kumusta po kayo? I hope everybody's doing okay. At kung ako naman yung tatanungin nyo, kahit walang nagtanong, ay by God's grace, I'm hanging in there. Hanging in there, yeah. Hanging in there. Holding on tight. But yeah, nandito tayo ngayon sa aming bagong bahay and it's been a while na hindi ako nakapunta dito. Tapos, so far, okay lang naman. Wala namang mga halaman na mamatay. Kahit na wala, hindi nadiligan. But I think yesterday umulan dito kahapon. Ewan ko. Alam nyo, dito sa Amerika, ang ulan ay mga 5 minutes lang. Hindi gaya sa atin, di ba na pag may bagyo, nako, ilang oras, ilang araw. Dito sa Amerika, ang bagyo namin guys ay mga 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, ganun lang. Pero pag may tornado, kahit na 30 minutes lang, nako, ubos lahat ng mga bahay. But anyway, saan na ba ako? For those who have watched my sad videos, I think there were 2 or 3 videos that I uploaded. Pasensya na po wala po kasi talaga akong ma-load up na medyo masaya during the past few days kasi nga of what is going on with my cat. And gusto ko lang na maging transparent sa inyo. Kahit maliit lang tayo, di ba? Maliit lang yung nanonood sa akin. But I wanted you guys to know the real me and what's going on with my thoughts and my mind and my life. At saka yung family ko dyan sa Philippines. And so they would know what we are doing here and how we are doing here. And so yun, it was a sad videos pero hindi ko nga sana i-load kaya lang pangit naman palagi lang tayong masaya, di ba? Parang hindi authentic yung ating pag-vlog kasi my vlog here is about my life and my love for animals, my love for carpentry work, my love for kahit ano-ano na lang, gardening, etc. Exterior and interior designing. So yun, included na dyan yung mga tears and laughters ko. So yeah, pakita natin sa lahat para Para hindi lang puro masaya, di ba? Otherwise, nobody would believe me na, ay, ang ganda naman ng buhay mo dyan, palaging masaya, palaging masaya. Hindi po, meron po times na nahihirapan din po tayo. You're still alive. Boy, open your mouth. Open up, open up. Now, what is that for?
That's an antibiotic. That's basically for any flea.
Did they remove the fluid?
Yeah, she said they took off a certain amount around. She said she gave an amount. So yeah, we took off so and so from around here, so and so. She said around the heart too, but didn't want to do so much invasive because didn't want to damage the heart.
Okay.
So yeah, some of the fluid was brought off.
Okay, next is, what is this for?
That's for the that's kind of the assuming if it's what's that thing called
FIT or FIP?
FIP. It's okay. It's okay, Bragan.
Oh.
Goodness. It's okay. It's okay. That's all right, Braggy. But
anyway, for those who gave me comforting words regarding my cat, salamat talaga. And so, update. Financially, magkano ba yung nagasta namin sa aming pusa? Mga 2,000, around 2,300 to 2,500 lahat sa past few days na mga hospital visit. Hospitals kasi, tatlong doktor yung napuntahan namin. Hospitals visit niya. So, magkano yan in pesos? Nasa almost 150 ata, $1,000. At anong magagawa ng 150,000 pesos, hindi dollars, sa isang pusa na masakitin? The answer is, wala. But, there's good news and bad news lang, you guys. That day na, yung iyak na talaga ako kasi 5 doktor na in the past, merong tatlong doktor na, dalawang doktor na nagsasabi na based on his blood test, feeling namin may cancer talaga siya. So, yun yung sa isang clinic. Alright, let's eat. Prepare ko lang, sabi na ko, busog pa daw siya. So, kasi galing siya doon sa pag-meet ng parents niya. Ito yung nabili ko, galing Chinese buffet. Natin siyang ilagay sa napakagandang presentation. Naghugas na ako ng kamay. Huwag nating tatsyahin yung ating pagkain. So, dito natin ilagay yung ating dessert. Actually, I only have 2 kinds of dessert. Oh, ito. Pero, alam niyo ba yung nila dito? Yung banana nila dito? Hindi talaga katulad sa banana sa atin, guys. Ewan ko kung anong problema ng bananas dito. Alright. Yan na po yung dessert. Lagay lang natin dyan. Tapos yung mga ulam-ulam natin ay ating ilagay. Ito is beef. Beef. And then, yan. Tapos, this one ay pork ribs. Ito talaga yung favorite ko. Pork barbecue ribs. Yan. Tapos ito ay isda. I don't know what kind of isda is this, but I like it because they cook it crispy. And tapos ito, cheese something. So, dyan ko lang ilalagay. Tapos ito yung kay Cory. Kailangan ay separate na serving spoon kasi alam niyo naman mga Amerikano, mga arte. Arting-arte talaga. Ito is fruits, orange. Kasi galing lang siya doon sa Finlay. Parang mga 3 hours ata yung travel niya. So, or 2.5 hours. Tapos ito banana na may syrup. Sarap. Yan. Okay, and then last but not the least, may tayo. Ito yung favorite niya mac and cheese. Yan. Tapos lagyan natin ng fortune cookies kasi favorite niya. Hindi siya naniniwala. Hindi po kami naniniwala sa mga sinasabi dito but nagugustuhan niya yung taste ng cookie. So yan.
At yan ang ating preparation for dinner. Meron tayong rice na muntik nang masunog. But sabi niya busog pa daw siya kasi galing lang siyang mag-meet sa kanyang parents na nag-dinner sila. No, lunch actually. Late lunch for his belated birthday gathering sa family nila. And then, ito, kakain na lang ako. I-leave ko lang yung sa kanya. Alright. Iwa-water natin yung ating mga tanim na linagyan natin ng rice water. So, medyo hindi siya totally nag-absorb doon sa mga plants. There's my cute husband. Lagyan lang natin ng kaunti para ma-absorb lang yung rice water natin kanina. Tapos ito din. Ikaw, yan, nalagyan kita ng rice water. Tapos, ikaw din. Oh my gosh. Oh my golly.
Supposed to break off. I don't know what's going on here.
It's okay, Borg. You don't have to do it tonight.
I know, I wanted to.
Oh my gosh.
I would like to, though. Problem is, it's supposed to break off, but it didn't yet.
That's why. Maybe you can.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, never mind. I was hoping to get more work, do more of my work.
So, dito lang natin to ilagay muna. Tapos, sa 15 ay mag-ano naman tayo fertilize. Okay. Ang daming lilinisin doon, oh. But, kapoy naman ako. I'm so tired. So, normally si Cory talaga yung maglilinis after dinner. Ako yung tagaluto, tapos siya yung tagahugas. Yan, kailangan pa namin dalhin doon sa ilalim. Galing yan dito, tapos ayokong palaging nakikita para hindi ako fed up sa kakatingin sa mga ganyan. So, tinanggal ko. Okay. So far, so good. So, tapos na yung aming driveway. Next project na naman is yung railing sa deck para matanggal na yan. And then, ma-decorate ko na naman yung deck namin. So, I'm looking forward to it. Woot, woot, woo. Yung aming electric bike, I kind of like it. Kaso lang parang pang bata, but pang drive para sa neighborhood. Tapos mag-video ako. One of these days, gagamitin ko yan. Mag-video ako sa aming neighborhood. But for now, bye-bye muna.